Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. You join me on MOT day for the Renault Megane RXE. Now this one I picked up a couple of months ago. It's been a while on the drive, but we've done a few bits to it and previously failed MOT for the emissions. So we sorted that. We also sorted out a front left shock, which we noticed was knocking. So that's all done, so fingers crossed it should pass MOT. I'm heading to GB Motor Services in Ross. I took the Peugeot there last time and yeah, hopefully it'll pass. Also, if you forgot what car this is, because I go for cars fast, it's the one I picked up from Cobra. I bought on eBay without even reading the description. I saw it was an RXE and I wanted it. I just had to make sure it's petrol and 2 litre, and it was. So it was a fun journey, fun trip, and pretty much sold unseen. But the car drove and everything. I drove it down there to get it on the lorry and all that. So it'll be my actual first proper drive in it today to the MOT centre. So I'm really looking forward to going. So yeah, I need to find my Renault at and we will head off. Well, it's MOT day. I'm just warming the car up because I can't see anything out of the windscreen. It did suffer with a bit of water coming in during the big storm last weekend. But yeah, let's head off to the MOT centre. Let's get this car in the MOT and fingers crossed it should pass. It only failed previously for the OR in the downpipe, which meant it could not get a proper reading of the gases and the emissions. So fingers crossed we can get that sorted. So let's head to GB Motorsport in Ross. So I'm here at GB Motor Services and just booked in, so fingers crossed everything will go to plan. We had to do a couple of things, but I'll explain that once I get the car back. Okay, they've had the car an hour and a half and I still haven't seen any update on the MOT check or haven't heard from anyone, so don't know what's going on. Maybe there's a delay, maybe they had to get someone else in, but yeah, not sure what's going on. I'm gonna have to go and find out. Okay, so it's not great. Apparently the car's very rusty, so yeah, that didn't come up on the MOT back from the previous owner back in July, but yeah, it looks like it needs quite a bit of welding. I didn't see it personally, but I trust them, you know, we've been here before, they're all right. So yeah, this car's gonna need welding. Great. It's Renault. I'm not getting rid of it, so it's going to have to get some welding done, unfortunately. I need to pop to Practical Classics, and then I'll head home and I will show you the sheet. So, I'm back now. Car's back, and yeah, it did fail, sadly. Catastrophically, I should say. Now, let me just open this rear door, because I can show you one of the things it failed for. That. Now this was when I picked the car up, we had some duct tape on here and everything, so I knew it was hiding something. I didn't realise it was hiding that. There you go, but I'll put it up on the screen anyway so you can see it properly. But not great. However, it's the first time I drove the car properly today to get it to the MOT centre, and the car drove lovely, so that is one upside to it. Now, previously it failed for the emissions, as mentioned. So the seat belt's not retracting properly. There's also a bush pin on the MOT that needs replacing, which I think is that side. I'll have to double check, but that surprised me because we did check all that stuff. But anyway, it's failed. There's nothing I can do about it right now. I am going to try and get a welder to sort out some of the areas because I'm not scrapping the car. Most people would, but not me. It's going to be, let's say, around £500 for welding. So it's not catastrophic, and I think the car warrants it being the last one in the UK. So it's definitely going to be done. I don't think I'll be able to get it done ready for a retest though, which is 2 weeks from today. So I will see what I can do. But yeah. So, you know, I didn't know how this video would work out. I was 50-50 with the car. You know, I didn't know if it was going to pass or not, to be honest, because we've done a lot of bits to it. But I didn't see any of the rust today. The car's been parked up since July when it last failed MOT. It's been here for about 2, maybe 3 months now. About 2 months. So yeah, it's a shame, but let's see what we can do. And like I said, this video is, you know, not edited or anything. You saw how it was, me waiting for it. I was really nervous, but these things happen, so it gives me something to do over the winter now. I had loads to do already over the winter, but yeah, thank you, Renault. But never mind, it's not the end of the world. The main thing is it's things that can be sorted, and the rust isn't too bad. It could be a lot worse. It could be on all 4 corners, but it's not. So yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. But I want to thank you all for watching. I will update you all if it goes in for a retest straight away. If it doesn't, then yeah, be a little bit more down the line. But this car will be staying with me, and it will be getting the work done so I can use it. I did actually enjoy driving it today, so that's a definite now. Also, we got sort of the leak. And there's a few other things I want to do, but once the car is MOT'd and sorted, it will be going in for a couple of little personal mods. So yeah, but anyway, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye until next time.